Hello, one and all. I, Ms. Dipali Gowde, working as a lecturer in a Saili Pharmacy College, Aurangabad. It's my great pleasure to take this opportunity to give feedback on this FDP. The word seems insufficient to judge my deep sense of gratitude to acknowledge all organizing committee members and all resource persons of this 4 weeks FDP MOOC course on effective use of ICT tools for online teaching learning process. This program, jointly organized by Progressive Education Society, Modern College of Pharmacy Pune and Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India (APTI). First of all, I express my sincere gratitude to respected Dr. Gajanan Ekbote Sir, Chairman of Progressive Education Society Pune, and Professor S.S. Deshmukh Sir, Secretary of Progressive Education Society Pune, and my special thanks to Dr. P.D. Chaudhary Sir, President of APTI and Principal of Modern College of Pharmacy Pune, and Dr. Raman Dang Sir, Secretary of APTI. I must mention my deep sense of appreciation for organizing and conducting such a wonderful and knowledgeable online FDP MOOC course, which is very useful for all faculty members for conducting the online sessions and online activities for the student in this pandemic condition. My next words of gratitude to all extreme resource speakers of this 4-week FDP, Dr. Ramanth Dai Sir, Dr. Prashant Oragade Sir, Dr. Kuldeep Bansod Sir, Dr. Vivek Kahale Sir, Dr. Chaitali Pawar Ma'am, Mr. Rakesh Daude Sir, Mr. Sunil Gaikwad Sir, Dr. Kailas Mali Sir, and Dr. Vishwajit Ghorpade Sir for your valuable guidance on innovative tools that can be utilized for making the teaching learning process more effectively. This activity based FDP was planned, executed, and conducted so nicely as per the given schedule on the Genomio platform by all of the resource persons, mostly by Dr. Dias Sir, Dr. Prashant Oragade Sir, and Dr. Kuldeep Bansod Sir for your untired efforts for successful completion of all 4 weeks assignments contains different tasks for the learner. Thank you very much all the resource speakers for engaging all the learners towards the all activities like videos, LBD quizzes, discussion forum, empowering the quality of teachers towards the use of modern ICT tools for their teaching. The most useful ICT tools I have learned in all 4 weeks is the effective teaching practices. That is, how we can improve ourselves as a teacher by using the modern and innovative teaching practices tools and increase the involvement of all students in the active learning. So that includes the challenges of 21st century education. Then apply the Bloom taxonomy label for achieving the higher order learning and thinking. Then use of the free software tools for the presentation and animation for the presentation includes the MS PowerPoint, Prezi, PictoChart, Canva, Google Slide, Sway, WPS Office Free. Then creation of own videos by using the MS PowerPoint, then creation of video by using the screen customatic software, then creation of video by using the video scribe, then creation of own WordPress website on wordpress.com, its customization and addition of informative blogs and pages, then creation of online Google Classroom, then learning management system and content management system, then creation of Genomio Moodle course on the genomio.com platform, that is in that the creation of Genomio, then self and manual enrollment, then addition of resource and all study materials, then adding the quizzes, assessment, then awarding the badges and certificates for the student for their motivation. Then game-based learning on the Moodle includes the crosswords, cryptics, hangman, sudoku, snakes and ladders. Then creation of Google Classroom includes the Google Forms, Google Quizzes, Google Feedbacks, then Google Sheets and Google Slide. Then creation of Edmodo class, then making the GIF images, then adding the quizzes, assignments, study material on Edumodo class, then use of the free software tools for the images teaching learning, then Mentimeters, then Plecos, then Kahoot quizzes, Testmos, and conducting the free webinars on the GoToWebinar website. The most innovative and most interesting ICT tools I have learned and completed during this 4-week course. The activity includes I have created my own PowerPoint presentation on the MS PowerPoint, and by using the Prezi and animate the same presentation by using the different animation tools. Then I have created the video by using the Screencast-O-Matic software with the brief explanation of each slide of my own presentation. I have created my own WordPress website contains the more details of course outcomes with the informative blogs and pages related to pharmaceutics. Then I have created my own Google Classroom and adding the study materials, assignments, then assessment of the same, then Google quizzes on the Google Forms and Testmos, and sharing the links of the same on the Google Classroom. Then I have created my own MOOC course on the Genomio platform with addition of videos, PPTs, PDF, quizzes, with awarding the badges and certificate for the student for their motivation. Then I have organized the webinar on GoToWebinar for all the student. So here is there are some screenshots of the some activities I have completed during these 4 weeks. Really, this FDP motivated and encouraged me to learn and implement the various ICT tools for organizing and conducting all activities for the actively involvement of the students in the learning. So thank you very much. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.